Most people think fat loss starts in the gym, but actually, it starts the moment you wake up. Your first meal, your hydration, even the timing of your breakfast can decide if your body burns fat or stores it. Today, I'll share 7 easy morning diet habits that can fire up your metabolism and keep you in fat-burning mode all day, without a single push-up. Welcome back to Eat Fit Repeat, the channel where you lose weight through smarter eating, not exhausting workouts. If your weight loss plan hasn't been working, it's probably because your mornings are setting you up for cravings and energy crashes. Let's fix that right now. 1. Start with a glass of lemon water before coffee. Drink warm water with lemon. It hydrates you after 8 hours of sleep, flushes toxins, and gives you vitamin C, which supports fat metabolism. Add a pinch of pink salt for electrolytes. 2. Delay your first carb. When you eat carbs first thing, your insulin spikes early. Instead, have a high-protein breakfast like eggs, Greek yogurt, or a plant-based protein smoothie. This keeps you full and stabilizes blood sugar, reducing fat storage. 3. Add apple cider vinegar before breakfast. Dilute 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in water. It can help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce post-meal blood sugar spikes, keeping your body in fat-burning mode. 4. Include a fat-burning tea or coffee. Black coffee, green tea, or matcha can boost metabolism naturally. Skip sugar and flavored creamers, they cancel out the benefits. 5. Eat fiber first. If you're having fruit or veggies, eat them before your carbs. Fiber slows digestion, helps control blood sugar, and makes you feel fuller, which means fewer mid-morning snacks. 6. Add healthy fats early. A spoon of nut butter, chia seeds, or avocado in your breakfast helps your body tap into stored fat for energy. Healthy fats keep cravings away until lunch. 7. Set a breakfast time and stick to it. Consistency matters. Eating your first meal at the same time daily helps regulate hunger hormones and keeps your metabolism steady. Whether you eat at 7 a.m. or 10 a.m., be consistent. Morning fat loss recap. Lemon water for hydration. High protein first meal. Apple cider vinegar for insulin control. Green tea or coffee to boost metabolism. Fiber before carbs. Healthy fats to keep you full. Consistent breakfast timing. Changing your morning routine can completely change your body. Pick 2 of these habits and start tomorrow. You'll notice the difference in just a week. Comment below. Which morning habit will you try first? And if you want my complete fat loss breakfast guide, grab the link in the description. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip.